Hi, my name is Ian. I'm a general practitioner in a dental practice. I have been a dentist for 30 years, and today I'm going to share with you an experience I've had with using the marketing box. The marketing box supplied us with a custom marketing plan and has really helped our practice to get us on the right path with marketing. It has done this without exorbitant costs, and I can honestly advise people around other dentists, if you want to do this, you're actually in charge of your own marketing, and you can get yourself out there into the market with all the right tools without the costs. After being in practice for 30 years, it is very evident how much dentistry and being a successful dentist has changed in 30 years. When we started off, just being a good dentist was enough. But now everybody competes with the markets. People don't ask who's the best dentist, they just click on the computers. And I think once you start using the marketing box, then it becomes clear that you have to now, after 30 years, I have to learn about Instagram, I have to learn about Facebook, I have to learn about all these things that can get me out there. And I think the marketing box has just taken me a step further or a step closer towards that. It came down to wanting to showcase ourselves to the outside, but because we opened up during the COVID-19 pandemic, we had very limited ways of introducing ourselves because we couldn't open our doors to the general public. It was very difficult to expose ourselves, to show people what we're offering. Because we've done the vast renovations to a very old building, the building is 1895 or something like that. Marketing was important, but then again, costs were also important. And when we thought, what can we do? And we thought, should we go for a full-on marketing company? We explored that, was very expensive, and that's when we considered the marketing box. After I'd spoken to the people at Pain-Free Dental Marketing, it is now so clear how far off just being a good dentist is from being a successful dentist. The marketing box was a do-it-yourself solution for us. The custom marketing plan provided us with checklists, video tutorials, and just discussions and explanations of how we can carry it out and what we should do to make our marketing succeed. Apart from, as I said just now, the tutorials and the checklists, what I found most helpful was once a month I would have a 45-minute discussion telling them whether this worked or whether it didn't work and how can we improve it. So there was always backup to what we were trying to do. The marketing box has provided me with the necessary tools to get myself out there without exorbitant costs. And for me, it has worked, and I'm sure it can also help many other people who are in the same position as I am.